In this last example, we're going to do a complicated problem that involves the square root symbol, it involves the fraction button, and it involves scientific notation. So I'm going to start by doing second x squared to get the square root feature. I then, underneath the radical, I want to put in a fraction. So I'm going to hit the n over d button and get my fraction symbol. Now I need to type in the numerator of my fraction. So I'm going to do parenthesis 3.5, and since it's in scientific notation, I'm going to use my times 10 to the n button, and I'm going to put the exponent as 17. Now I need to get out of that to close my parenthesis. I don't need to be in the exponent, so I'm going to use my right arrow to get out of the exponent, close the parenthesis, plus parenthesis 2.1. Use my times 10 to the n button to get to use scientific notation. Put in the 17 again. Use my right arrow to get out of the exponent. Close my parenthesis. I have entered into the calculator the numerator. Now I need to use my down arrow to put in the denominator. I put parenthesis 2.6. Use my times 10 to the n button. Put in the exponent, which is 9. Use my right arrow key to get out of the exponent. Close my parenthesis, plus parenthesis 3 times, didn't want the times. I wanted the times 10 to the n. So I backed up. Notice that I just toggled back, put in the times 10 to the n, which takes me to my exponent, which is 9. Use my right arrow key to come out of the exponent. Close my parenthesis, enter, and I have the answer. Let's do that again just so you're certain that you know what I did. I'm going to do second x squared for the square root, n over d for the fraction, parenthesis 3.5 times 10 to the n, 17, arrow out of the exponent, close the parenthesis, plus parenthesis 2.1 times 10 to the n, put in the power, use my arrow key to get out of it, close my parenthesis. Use my down arrow to get to the the denominator, parenthesis 2.6 times 10 to a power, put in my power, right arrow to get out of the exponent, close my parenthesis, plus parenthesis 3 times 10 to a power, put in my exponent of 9, arrow to the right, close my parenthesis, enter, and I have my answer.